looking today weather-wise?
Well, rain's on tap, so hope you've dusted off the umbrella. It looks like we're going to see some wet weather for Tuesday, and that could start as early as mid-morning. Notice the skies. We're looking at a kind of a haze over this city right now. This means, especially when it's nighttime and I kind of see the blue versus the yellow lights, that means that there's generally some cloud cover or some moisture in the atmosphere, and that's why we're going to continue to see a little bit of cloud cover this morning. 63 in Birmingham right now. Anniston's at 59 with 65 in Tuscaloosa. So a very mild start this morning across all of central Alabama. Notice those winds out of the south at about 15 miles per hour. All right, temperatures anywhere between the low to mid 60s, especially in West Alabama, but a bit of a clear pocket of sky is allowing the temperatures in East Alabama to start off in the mid 50s. 55 in Talladega, 56 in Rockford, and 57 in Ashland. Here's your hour-by-hour breakdown today. Cloud cover, the main feature through around 9 or 10 o'clock. Now, let me just say this. There could be a few passing showers before that 10 a.m. hour, but I think for the most part, it will just be a gray start in an overcast sky. I really don't think that rain begins moving in here till 11 or 12 o'clock today. Here's why. Most of the wet weather is still well to our north and to our west, and this line of rain is tracking off to the east. It's only very slowly slipping southbound, so it will make its way east before it makes its way south. And notice we're kind of sitting south of most of the rain right now. A few showers moving into Coleman right now, and as I zoom out, you can kind of get a good idea. And this is actually moving kind of quickly off to the east, but it's dragging this line of rain back through Mississippi into Louisiana. It's this back edge of rain that I'm really tracking as far as impacting parts of central Alabama. Interesting, this little boundary that's developing right now looks almost to be impacting folks from the Delta all the way near Tupelo, Mississippi. So again, that will be tracking off to the east. Here's a look at your storm track futurecast. Let me break it down for you today. By 12 o'clock, as I mentioned, most of that rain still well to our north from about 12 p.m. till about 3 to 4. It almost looks like some of this rain is going to be breaking apart, but a lot of that rain is going to stay north of that 2059 corridor through the early evening. Okay, then overnight tonight, it will slowly slide southbound, and then by early tomorrow morning, most of that rain is going to be south of Interstate 20. I don't think today's going to be incredibly soggy or wet, but we could see those passing showers. But the bigger story is what we could be seeing on Thursday. So it is going to be a rainy day as we head towards the end of the week. This unsettled weather pattern continues through the weekend. That's a look at your storm track 7-day forecast. Art.